You can see the pretty canvas here. It's a broken piece of wood and we're going to use it as a frame or the canvas for our painting. You can see these outlines, so I'm usually going to transform all these outlines like a tree. Okay, also adding a little bit of water. Okay, let's see, it's going to be a dynamic types of drawing. Putting lots of green colors on the top. Adding the waters. Also making the color variations on the top. So lots of green you can see on the top here. Now you are going to see the branches. Which are a little bit organic in curve. Mhm. Also see other branch here. Mhm. So the bigger tree has the bigger branch. Let's draw a vehicle. At the bottom of the tree. You can see the vehicle. Okay. And the roof lines going to be here. Just putting the, the wheels in the bottom. So the front one is little bit inclined, that's why you can see the partial view. Okay. All right, so the vehicle is done. Now, few grasses you can just put at the bottom. putting the deep dark color. Putting the colors. Through the tree lines. Okay, so the scenery drawing is complete. It's very simple and easy. One tree and one car. I hope you like the painting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.